Why is the First Minister so content with just giving the illusion of progress rather than actually doing it as Plaid Cymru would? But she said then, and I quote, "I'll be going up to Llandudno to open a new orthopaedic hub, a new surgical centre," and that is great news, another surgical hub. I think we have 7, this will be the 8th, and I think there may be another one, so that's 9 surgical hubs we're talking about in Wales. Can she list the 9 accredited surgical hubs that she mentioned last week?
There have been new ones that have been established, for example, in East Port Talbot. There's going to be a new one in Llandudno and a new one also in Llantrisant area.
Yes. Isn't it true, First Minister, that there aren't 8 accredited surgical hubs and a 9th on the way? And in fact, there can't be, because the call for expressions of interest to establish accredited hubs was only sent out last month. I'm talking about the accredited hubs that the surgeons are calling for. A Plaid Cymru government will act on the recommendations of experts and establish, yes, 10 accredited surgical hubs. No more dither and delay. Why is the First Minister so content with just giving the illusion of progress rather than actually doing it as Plaid Cymru would?